Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel. For today's video, we are going on a road trip. Ayan, andito kami ngayon sa tinatawag nilang bypass road. Pero I think mali yung pinasukan namin kaya bumalik kami. Tapos umabot kami sa may kabila na papunta kaming diversion road na. Ayan, ito yung mga dinaanan namin. Tingnan nyo guys. And then, ito na yung diversion road. Ayan, yung road pataas. Tapos, pagbaba namin, pupunta na kami sa may Pasonangka. Ayan, pumunta kami dito sa The Hut Restaurant sa may Pasonangka Park. Malaysian restaurant siya. They serve Malaysian foods. Ito yung tsura niya ng loob ng resto nila. And we ordered the following, of course. Nakikita niyo ba yan?
This
At
is
saka yan.
the Chinese egg fried rice. What's that, Mama?
Tanghon soup.
You meet angkat the sutanghon. Where's the sutanghon?
Pero sa tanghon
Oh, okay. Oh, this is the nasi goreng pataya. This is made of egg and fried rice. This is the beef rendang with rice. Okay. This is the beef rendang. This is 380 pesos, I think, good for 5 persons. Also have this meat goreng.
Baby.
So, ano ma?
Dapat niya palang tulog pang katumaon.
Oo. Ako na rep.
Bakay ka mo.
Dito lumabay.
Ayun, nakaka.
Mm.